In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Dropbox to a new computer, whether you've just got a new machine or you're setting it up for work or personal use. Ensuring your files are accessible and in sync is essential. So let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Dropbox website. Depending on the operating system of your new computer, you'll want to download the appropriate Dropbox desktop app, whether that's Windows, Mac or Linux. This step is crucial as it sets up a dedicated space on your device where Dropbox can sync your files seamlessly. Once you've downloaded the installer, the next step is to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to install the app on your computer. Typically, this involves agreeing to terms and conditions and selecting where on your hard drive you'd like Dropbox to store its folder. This might be a good time to ensure you have enough storage space for all the critical files you intend to sync. With the installation complete, you can go ahead and open the Dropbox desktop app. You'll be greeted by the login screen where you'll need to enter the email address and password associated with your Dropbox account. If you happen to have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your device close by to enter that additional security code. Upon logging in successfully, the application will begin the magic of syncing. Dropbox automatically starts to synchronize all the files and folders from your online account to your new computer. This process might take some time depending on the size and number of files you're syncing as well as your internet speed. While this is happening, it's essential to keep your computer connected to the internet without disruptions to ensure all files sync properly. Once your files are synced, you'll find a Dropbox folder on your computer, typically in the home directory or another location you might have specified during installation. This folder acts just like a regular folder, but with the added benefit that anything you place inside automatically uploads to the cloud and syncs across any other devices that are linked to your Dropbox account. And that's all there is to it. Now you have Dropbox linked to your new computer, keeping your important files synchronized and accessible across all your devices. Remember, whether you're sharing documents for work or storing personal photos and videos, Dropbox provides an excellent solution for easy access and collaboration. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of having your files wherever you go.